Terisia Mwinde eidwa aitwalila mobwa kwanzia ya meko ni Faith Mackenzie wa mutunga twatene nthini wa Facebook ni Mutongoi TV ni na huthocha ngumanyithie mwene kambuni wa Microsoft na mutandithia Bill Gates ni watambuka kaundini ya Makueni na bala wasisia maundu ma uiti na wemi kaundini isu. Gates ni nukwikwatiwa kutethesia milati kivathukanio ya maendeleo wivo sibitali wa Kuthonzweni na ula ukuthoya mashine cia uthukumi. Ngavana wa kaunti isu Mutula Kilonzo Jnr ni waweta kana kuka kwa Bill Gates ni kuhusisia milati ila matonya kuungamia ya uiti na wemi. Josephat Musemi nukutubingu ya bilingi wa mobo.
Mutandithia winguma na mwene kambuni ya Microsoft muthui Bill Gates novikie Kenya kwa ndambuka ya mithenya ili ya kiviasala.
At the meeting with the Council of Governors and at the meeting with the national government level, they want to see whether we can replicate what is happening here in other counties. They are looking at mass production so that then they can help the countries as a whole. So this is just a benchmarking visit, a learning experience, so that they can ask the various counties what they are doing and whether we can have sort of what I call one size fits all thing that they can fund, because they don't do little things. They fund in huge quantities.
Gates itina wakuvika notambukie kaundini ya Makueni na kutoa isia unenania na ngavana Mutula Kilonzo Jnr na vala itina uvikie sivitali ni wa mwaitu na siana wa mother and child musini wa wote au mavu notambukie sivitali ni wa Kuthonzweni na itina komana na emi ala matumianzia sia matukuwa sia uemi.
Bill Gates has gone to attend to a farm just close by from here of a lady called Mary who is doing smart agriculture, and that also they have a huge interest, and he will be speaking about climate change and food security at the university, so they have an interest in it, and that's portion of what we want to deal with. At a later date, we want to make a presentation on our food security and agriculture and value chain, because they have given out yesterday about 1.4 billion US dollars towards climate change mitigation and agriculture and food security, and we want to make a presentation as Makueni so that when the money is finally disbursed we can get a share of it.
Governor Mutula Jnr hainena ni wasekana mena utanu kuthokywa ni mutandithia valawa umbulakana kielelo kinene cha ndambukai ni kusisia maundu ma uiti na wemi kaundini isu ya Makueni.
Their primary interest for this visit were two areas: primary healthcare, which includes the facilities like this one in Kuthonzweni, for purposes of understanding the work that goes on here at the lowest level, and then at the mother and care to understand from how we have upgraded from the maternity here at level 3 to what we have in Wote, and therefore that is of high interest to them.
Ingi Mutula ni wawetakana Gates ni wendeiwe muno kumanya undu kaundi isomwa kutoa isia uthukumi wayo maunduni ma uiti itina wakukwata kilungu cha miongo 5 yuluwa yana wasienduila methia wa mayenda kuma kwimuvia wandawa wa Kemsa.
Partly the reason that Bill Gates came was that this facility behind me, the maternity, has the highest number in terms of its level of birth in the county, and therefore that also interested in him to check between this facility and what happens at level 4 at Wote, what exactly the upgrade and how that affects our work. So he was very interested in that, and we made a serious presentation on our workers, our budgets to understand, and he was at a very keen interest on what we call in medical terms fill rate. He wanted to know how we cope with the problem of receiving only 50% of what we require from KEMSA. So that is why he had a serious presentation with the chair and a serious presentation with the community health volunteers to understand how they manage the resources that we give them, so that then, irrespective of the shortfalls in revenue and the delays at national, these facilities can continue running uninterrupted.
Nake seneta wa kaunti Daniel Kitonga Manzo ni wasiakana walanio wa Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation no tethe isie vanene kukilia uemi kaundini ya Makueni.
We look forward to further interaction with the Bill Gates Foundation, and we believe after his visit today in Jnr and many other parts of Makueni County he has visited, we look forward to improving our agriculture, and more important, growing fruits which are acceptable all over the world, in terms of marketing them. One of our biggest challenges is herbicides and dealing with the fruit fly, and we are looking into a solution of organic farming, whereby the fruit fly can be controlled without herbicides. That is what is marketing and is being looked for largely in the world, and we're looking forward to market our fruits in Europe and in other parts of the world, including Dubai.
Josephat Musemi Vilingi wa Mauvo.